Today you gonna learn how to rank video. This will really rank your video, and all steps are very important. So don't skip the video, like and subscribe. So let's go to video. Step number 1, front load your keyword. All YouTuber known you should use your target keyword in your video title. But what you might not know that YouTube puts more weight on word that appear in the beginning of your title. For example, you want to rank your video for cold brew coffee. Most people use title like this. Now that is doesn't horrible or anything, but you can easily make that title more SEO friendly by front loading your keyword. A title with the front load keyword would look something is. This will make your video viral. Step number 2, boost video engagement signal. Engagement signals are things like shares, like, comment, and subscribe. Basically whenever someone engages with your video, it tell YouTube that people are like your video, and YouTube will push your videos. Get comments in your video. Question how you can get comments to your video. Add a hyper-specific call to action at the end of your video. You see most big YouTuber use a generic call to action like leave a comment or what you think about. Hyper-specific call work much better. So instead of generic leave a comment, give your viewer something specific to comment on. For example, at the end of your video you can ask from in which topic I made next video, so that it's I hope you like, and please subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.